coming back though. Don't like to keep the first fish. Bad luck. So we're gonna hearing a bunch of stuff busting over here while we're fishing the other side of this island. The current's actually coming towards me, so this should be a good casting point. Bring the bait towards me with the current, the tide. Actually hear him on the other side of this point. Take a few casts in here and then we'll actually move on. And I'm actually working this right up to the boat because a few minutes ago I actually had something attack it like literally 6 inches from the boat, which is not normal. It surprised me. There's stuff busting up there too. Cool place to fish. Tons of current. Oh wow. We're gonna push up forward. You see all the bait busting. I'll throw a couple casts up there. See if we can't catch whatever's hitting those. Such a beautiful morning. That's one of the things I love about fishing. It's just not just all about catching fish, just getting out in nature and enjoying yourselves. Nice cast. Try one more cast over that flat. Go catch up with Jeff. Might throw a paddle tail in there too. They're not interested in the top water. Not as exciting, but stuff's nibbling at it. Probably a little trout. But missing a tail when I get back. Huh? Why not? I'm taking my cast back there. we're on. Oh, we got a little snook. Funky little fella. Sweet. It's all slimy. Nothing to brag about, but snook's always fun. Ooh, easy, buddy. Get the bait out. Nice little guy. It's a fun way to start the day. Whenever he's ready, he can go. Sweet. I hope that was recording. That's what I had. No, it might be a little deep right here for the popping cork. Oh, I'm just saying for how long the leader on the popping cork is. Too short. I think it's only, well, it's like a 2-foot leader. Yeah, that's why I tend to tie long leaders on my Yeah, and I've gotten pretty good at tying FG knots. I used to only use it for like 30-pound and above, and then do like the, what is it, the Crazy Alberta or Albright. Yeah, I used to do that on anything below 30. But I had too many times where you just cast something and like all of a sudden your knot just comes undone and like your bait goes flying. Yeah. That's happened to me a handful of times. And do you cast through your guides?
Yeah.
Me too.
I kind of do a reverse Albright. So I go 9 up to pinch it, and then I go 9 wraps up the leader.
Oh, I'm on.
There we go.
There's a little trout. Oh, it's a, what is that, a mangrove? That might keep. Yeah, that'd be sweet if that kept.
These rocks right here,
Yeah.
been really good to me. We don't catch anything big.
That's crazy though, catching a mangrove on the flat.
What do you have dangling underneath that thing?
Power or prawn junior. Dude, I think this is dinner. Nice little Sammy. Oh no, he's gonna be just short. Chill out, buddy. Oh, he's right there. He's gonna escape. That's cool. Alright, we're gonna bleed this guy. Yep, that's what I expected to see, although I expected to see a lot more. gotta make sure to clean this out when I get home. Yep. Bottom right there. That's crazy. This is so dirty. You can't even see that. It's like a foot deep. Push on. There we go. This has got to be a little redfish. Yep. Don't go there. Oh, look at that tail. That's a beautiful fish. That's a beautiful fish. There's my slam. Got my slam.
Nice. What'd you get over there? A little red?
Yeah. That is a beautiful fish. Look at that tail. Wow. What a beauty. Not big, but get a nice little release. And he goes. Off he goes. Nice. That's cool. Got a little slam. That's 2 weekends in a row for a slam. Yeah, on the wedding crasher.
It's called a pinfish.
I don't know if that was from that smoke flume right there, if that was from the red I just caught, or I just spooked the school. I would assume that's a school. That's a lot of smoke.